Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we have just pushed the envelope, the limits. We just made a tray out of the leftover block of the 19-inch. Let's see, is that the way that guy goes? The 19-inch bandsaw box. I love to push the envelope. This may or may not be the way it came apart. Actually, it looks like it goes over there. You can see that there. Let's see if we get this right. Okay, I can even go by the saw marks. All right, now what in the world are we talking about? I'm glad you asked. That's really hard to do. So without further ado, and we're going to stop with this guy because I don't think my blade is going to do it any justice. So we are looking at the drawer for the bandsaw box that we're making for the customer. We're making like 7 of them. Okay, so from the inside, and hopefully I can attach these 2 videos together, was the solid block. And I've been saying, don't throw those pieces away. You can actually make things out of them. Well, I made nested trays, or whatever in the world you want to call them. This was just a lot of fun to do, I have to tell you. So somebody let me know, if somebody else doesn't get to it first, if you're interested in having this set. Okay? Okay, yeah, you go over here. Super cool. You can tell that I'm still stung by the bandsaw box fever. Okay, so look what we have done. We have rescued waste wood. They're so small, my big hands can't handle the working with with them. I can only not touch them. Okay. Let's move you over to here just so you don't fall apart. This guy here. All right, look at that, my friends. Original bandsaw box tray. The drawer. It's going to slide in. We're gluing that up upstairs. Drying up. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How ironic. That's how many bandsaw boxes we're making for the customer. So now these guys will be nested. Isn't that cool? So we'll try to attach this video to the video that I made just prior to this. All made possible by the bandsaw box. And just in case you're not sure what in the world I'm talking about, when you make bandsaw boxes, you're going to have waste. Okay? These guys. I can do the same thing with all of these guys. Look at all the opportunity we have for all the fun. They're just everywhere, these pieces of leftovers. So thanks for coming into the shop at SC Custom Designs. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to try to do videos once a week. I actually am doing like maybe 2 or 3 a week, and there you go. We're very busy here. We have lots of stuff. We're looking forward to doing a lot of work in 2018. So thanks for coming in and watching, and take care, and God bless.